Hello guys, and welcome to another Bitcoin update video. Today we're going to take a quick look at the lower time frames, looking for some scalp zones and potential trading zones for today. First and foremost, yesterday was relatively weak. We got this nice long trade after one loss and some TP1s. First full target of the day, filled the single print into VWAP and then dumped a good bit after that and even made new lows. So I'm going to share some zones for today. First one, we have a poor high from yesterday, as you can see here. Poor high, that's interesting. We also have a naked value low around this 4-hour level to downside. I can show you that as well. So you can see here, so this may also give a scalp long. But the thing I'm not really a huge fan of is that we've been testing these lows for many times now. And lately, when we have been testing lows over and over and over, sooner or later we get a bigger flush to the downside. And the same thing can be to the upside. So, in my opinion, if we go down, even if we react to daily and give some divs or whatever, I'm willing to take a scalp long trade, for sure. But if you see weakness, I'm gonna be looking for a 4-hour level. And if you see trigger, same story, I can be able to take a long. If not, I'll be waiting all the way down for this buying tail to the downside to look for a long. And again, if the downside momentum is too strong, I'm actually going to wait for the monthly to make new lows for this year and look for a trigger down here to take a little bit swing trade potentially and take the trade up to, for example, 62 to 63k, which would be a great trade. Even 65 could be on the table if we get a great reaction. That depends on how we react. So to the upside, we have a few zones. We are struggling with the session VWAP right now, which is key resistance. On here, we are pretty much between value low and point control and time point control. So that's some local chop for sure. But if you can see clear acceptance above, we may see a good move. Maybe find some resistance here, but could be a local TP if you have scalp. But looking for this zone could be a scalp short idea in my opinion. Ideally get a wick above this high and then scalp short towards the VWAP. We also have a time point control, naked time point control here from yesterday, which also could be something, but it's a naked confluence, but we have this high, so it's not extremely naked. But in my opinion, testing this level to the upside sooner or later would be a good idea. Likely the best thing would be to wick above this poor high and get a form a sell tail would be a great thing to see. But if you don't, if you react to daily, fair enough. Signals first before any predictions. And we also have this naked VWAP on the weekly time frame and so on up here with a sell tail. That's also been a huge interest for me to take a trade. And that's pretty much the scalp areas I'm watching today. I'm going to watch pretty much all my levels marked on the chart. That's why I have them. We have CPI coming out today, so that may bring some good volatility. So be aware of potential squeezes and dumps suddenly, and Weex can be the case, but that time will tell. For now, it's trading relatively chill. Long trade idea played out from yesterday. But the next major thing would be to look for the midpoint of the move. It's the midpoint of the move, and this is local extreme, and above local, we are talking down here to 59, 59.5, and pretty much 64.7 in my opinion. That was my quick and simple low time frame Bitcoin update for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna cover altcoins, altcoins like Hype, Solana, Ethereum, Brett. Major, potentially 10 coins, and also going to cover a few of these altcoins on Twitter tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all with a new video tomorrow with some altcoins. I'm potentially going to update some altcoins on Twitter today too, so if you have some suggestions, just let me know in comments or on Twitter. See you all tomorrow with a new video. Bye bye.